Hi guys, 안녕. Today I'm gonna give you guys a side-by-side camera quality comparison between Xiaomi Fimi Palm and Osmo Pocket. So you guys can see I have Xiaomi Palm here and Osmo Pocket here. So let's first climb up the mountain. So how was the mic quality just now? Now I do have a lav mic on. So for the rest of the video, I just want to make sure that you do have a great mic sound. So now the Rode Lav Go is actually attached to Osmo Pocket via DJI mic adapter, which I'm not sure whether it works with Xiaomi Fimi Palm. As a side note, there are two different levels of microphone. So one is high. So right now I'm using high. Does it sound okay? Because I'm standing in the middle of the road. And this is a microphone that's low. I'm not sure what's the difference, but I'm sure you can tell by now. And now this is the staircase. I'm walking up. And I guess stability in both 3-axis gimbals should be fine. How about running? Osmo Pocket 4x Slowmo produces sharp image, but it is heavily cropped. Fimi resolution is not as crisp, but the wide angle definitely helps with framing and action. And Fimi Palm offers 8x Slowmo at 720p resolution. What I particularly like about Osmo Pocket is that you can actually focus directly on the object, even at slow-mo, and it produces a smooth bokeh effect and really sharp on the subject. One advantage of Osmo Pocket is that it does have 4K 60 frames per second, whereas Fimi Palm offers 60 frames per second at 2.7K resolution or below. So now let's talk about zoom. It's the feature that Fimi Palm has. It's an electronic zoom, but let's put to test. First, click on the joystick and then push up to zoom up to 3 times. Because it gets rather bright, you want to push the joystick to the left to decrease the EV. I must say I do prefer zoom in video than photo. So now we have come to the peak. And it's time to try out the Panorama. Osmo Pocket has two functions for panoramic photo, 3x3 and 180 degrees. After taking the photo, you need to go inside the app to download automatically stitched photos. Fimi Palm offers 3x3, 4x1, 1x4, and the app recognizes panoramic photos. Except I couldn't download the automatically stitched photos. I'm not sure, maybe it's something that they just need to update in next software update. So I couldn't quite enjoy the panoramic shot. So I came down from the hill and tried out motion time-lapse. Both worked fine, but I was standing on the bridge without tripod, so it's a little bit shaky. Oh, and as a last thing, Osmo Pocket offers hyperlapse, whereas Fimi Palm doesn't. So what did you guys think about the side-by-side comparison of the camera quality between Xiaomi Fimi Palm against Osmo Pocket? Right now I do have Osmo Pocket with the freewell wide-angle lens, so the field of view is slightly wider now. But I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of the camera quality, so please comment down below your verdict. What do you prefer? I'd love to hear from you guys. I'll come back with more testing and reviews of these cameras. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you!